dey interfere into reforest them. They don't go to the only dam where the Freetown, for example, depend on. They don't go inside there again. They build. Give a background to this, Mr. Minister.
The Western Niger Peninsula National Park, where they, mostly in the Western Rural District, most of the water supply for the city of Freetown, and that water supply they at risk. That's one issue. One issue we take the enforcement action is that the dam society over the years, and especially over the past few months, people that done the encroach. We don't see arson, people then they cut stick, then they burn, and they go closer and closer to the dam. That dam they done over 60 years, and that cut within the cut stick them, that burn within the burn, as then they go closer and closer, and they increase the risk of a dam failure. What we don't see happen in other countries then. Guma Dam Reserve, they hold over 5 billion gallons of water. So imagine 2 o'clock morning, every rain don't come. That dam they break. That water they can down full speed. The one that way don't go build house under the dam. If they now they host them. Then also them or the family, them anybody where they in the path of that water they can go. Even they risk people and way not there's anything to do with the activities that we don't go on where they increase the risk of a dam failure. Because water no they watch, water na in the make road, and that amount of water where it run down or can the amount of force where they can with it adds up in it how widely that calamity they get for spread. Demolition activities where governments they take now, we understand say a lot of people go down invest in construction, and it go painful. But the pain where people go get and where governments go get, where we get catastrophe, where they kill thousands of people in a moment, it pass within people will go through if we do demolition now. What we don't start first now the illegal structure. But what I want to let family understand is where disaster can. You not care if you get paper or you not get paper. You not care if you're a government minister or you're not a government minister. You not care if you're a head of parastatal or you're not a parastatal. When the disaster comes, you know they look, you know they check paper. It just the water they come, they clear anything where they before. You where don't go put host there, you say you get paper. Your family, you can pick in there all way they. If disaster comes today, they say, well, this one I get paper, this one I end up in get paper, blah balance. The disaster, it affect anybody where they before that water. And now after repeat, over 5 billion gallons of water now in day, now that lake day, where it full up.